In this video, I'll show you how to stop videos from autoplaying on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three lines, which is called menu, at the top right corner of your profile page. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find Media Quality and tap on it. In here, the first option you'll see is Use Less Mobile Data. Turn all of these options. Enabling this setting helps reduce data usage and stop videos from autoplaying in your feed. And that's it, a simple way to control autoplay on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.